Good morning, guys. How are you? Fine. We will do now part B, exercise 5, part B. We did the part A together in the Zoom period. Now we will do part B. You will check it Monday on the educational files. So, how do we round numbers to the nearest million, 100,000, and billion? We said before that when I say just million, I mean we will look at the ones digit in the millions family. When we say just billion, I mean we will look at the ones digit in the billions family. And here we will round to the nearest 100,000. Okay. First, I will place commas and I will name the families up. Ones, thousand, million, and billion. And here, the same. Ones, thousand, million, and billion. And here the same in the last example. I will divide it into families. Ones, thousand, million, and billion. Okay. I will do two steps. I will circle the millions digit and I will underline the next digit to the right side. Which digit is the millions digit? Look at the millions family here. We have ones, tens, 100. Which digit is the ones digit? Here 9. The first digit. I will circle it. Then I look at the next digit to the right side, هي ال1. Underline it. ال1 we compare it by the best friend. Is it less than 5 or 5 or more than 5? If it's less than 5, I will keep the millions digit the same. So 9, it has to be the same. If it's 5 or more than 5, I will add 1 to the millions digit. I will add 1 to 9. Okay, so it becomes 10. So I will write 0 down, 1 up if it's bigger than 5. Let's check. Is 1 less or more than 5? Less. So I will keep 9 the same. So كل الdigits اللي هن to the left side of 9, I will keep them the same till 9. Then I will write the others as zeros. So the answer will be 130 billion, 289 million with 6 zeros. When I say million, I mean 6 zeros. Okay? The second one, the same. Look at the millions family. We have 0, 80. Ones, tens, 100. Under a circle, the ones digit, 0. Underline the next one. Also, it's 0. Come on. 0, is it less or more than 5? Less. So the millions digit stays the same. So I will copy them till 0. Then also here already we have zeros. So 17 billion, 80 million. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the same. Ones, thousand, million, billion. Yeah. الوانز digit بالمليونز family. المليونز family we have 561. من هي الوانز digit؟ هي ال1. Underline 6. 6 هي less than 5 or more than 5? More. So what shall I do? We should add 1. Add 1 to which digit? To the circled one. هي المليون. So 1 becomes how much? It becomes 2. So I will copy 8, 5, 6. Then 1 becomes how much? 2. Then the others will be 0. So 8 billion 562 million. Okay. So the aim of this question, yeah, teacher, is to keep the millions digit the same or to add 1 to the millions digit. Now, round to the nearest 100,000. The same way, but now I will round the 100 digit in the 1000 family. Let's erase a circle in all. Okay. We'll underline also. Good. Let's start with the first one. Okay. Look at the 1000 family now, 100 digit. Why? Because they said round to the nearest 100,000. So look at the 1000 family, 100 digit. Which digit? Ones, tens, 100. من هي 100 digit? هي 1. So we will underline what? 1. Then we will circle 1 and we will underline the next digit اللي هي 1. 1, is it less or more than 5? Less, so I will keep the circle digit the same. All of them will be the same till the 100,000 digit. So 130 billion, 289 million, 100,000. Okay, so when I say 100,000 here, it has to be when you are reading the number 100,000. Okay, okay. The second one, thousands, all of them zeros. Ones, tens, hundred. Circle the hundred. Underline the next one. Zero, come on, less than 5. So I keep them the same. And already here we have what? Zero. So the number, all of it will stays the same because they are zeros. 1, 2, 3, comma, 4, 5, 6. Okay. The last one. 100,000. هيدي 1000 family. 100 digit. Ones, tens, hundred. He's 6. Then we underline 7. 7, is it less or more than 5? More. So what shall I do? We add 1 to 6. So 6 becomes 7. So 8,561,700,000. Okay? 700,000 because the next digit is bigger than 5. Now, billion. Yeah, let's circle the ones digit in the billions family in all. البليون family here. من هي ones digit? He is 0. Look at 2. Is it less or more than 5? Less. So I will keep 0 the same. So 130 billion. When I say billion, I mean 9 zeros. Other than 0. Here already we have 0, so they will be 10. 6, 7, 8, 9. Type. The second one. Ones digit بالbillions family he is 7. Circle it and underline 0. 0 less than 5, so 7 stays the same. 7 stays the same and we stop, then we will convert them to zeros. So 17 billion. Okay. The last one. من هي ones digit بالbillions family? 8. We look at the next one, it's 5. Even if it's 5, we must add 1. So if it's 5 or more than 5, we add 1. Okay? So we add 1 to 8, it becomes how much? 9. So 9 billion. So even if the underlying digit equals 5, we should add 1. Okay, guys? Thank you. See you. Bye bye.